Diversity to today's project. I'm going to be recapping on a project I did a while back called the Gentleman's Two-Piece Set. I was asked to better my lighting and be more detailed in what I was doing. So I'm going to kind of take it, slow it down and recap and try to expand on more of this particular project, this outfit, this two-piece set, the Gentleman's two-piece set. Stand by Diversity 2. This is part 4 of the Gentleman's two-piece set. Stand by. To make this project, you're going to need about 4 yards of, this is a light blue material. You can get it close as possible. Maybe a slightly off navy blue, maybe, but it's real light blue material. And I have about 2 yards of, about 1 yard of black, just flat black material for the back of the vest, but the front of the vest is going to be made of blue, and the pants of this material. So stand by. Diversity 2, the Gentleman's two-piece set. Here we go. The main thing we're going to be doing right now is working on the top portion of the back portion of this two-minute Gentleman set, Gentleman's two-piece set. So to make the vest, I would go and get a vest that I have and basically trace the back of it to make my own template and work from there. For making the Gentleman's two-piece set vest, it's right here. This panel is going to give me a double-breasted vest. How do I know it? I took my material and I took this and I cut the material and steam ironed it, and sewed the shoulders together and just added a piece of the back and tried it on, and I wanted the panels to overlap to give me a double-breasted vest, and this panel will accomplish that. This panel is 29 inches long. From here to here, 10.5 inches. From here to here, 4.5 inches. From here to here, 9 inches. From here to here, 10.5 inches. And from the bottom of the armpit to the top of the shoulder, 16 inches. From the top of the front shoulder down mid-chest is about 18 inches. So I have various dimensions on this vest to get this particular fold. So 29 long, 14 inches wide. Now this is the one I'm going to use. This also, I'm going to leave some space, even though I have my measurements here. I'm going to leave space all the way around this one. So I'm going to line it up, leave about 1 inch on the outside, pretty much 1 inch all the way around. But first I'm going to trace it. Unconventional sewing by Diversity 2. This is hard. Let me back this up. Put it on the table. I'm going to take and trace it. You can pin this down with some cardboard if you don't want it moving around. But I've been doing this a while, so I got an idea what to do here. Now that I have it traced, I need to make sure I get that covered. I'm not going to cut out what I traced. I'm going to leave 1 inch. That. This is going to be the line where once I cut it out, it's going to be steamed and folded. This is the first line that I trace is going to be my fold line. It's going to be my original vest. Outside line is going to be where I'm going to use the fold. Okay, this is fine here. is where I want to cut. So I'm going to take my scissors and cut on this line here. Once I get it cut out, I'm going to put it on the ironing board and steam it into shape. That's how I make my vest. This particular vest, like I said, is going to be a double-breasted vest. That's why it's going to be so wide. I've got 14 inches wide. This is just for the look like the left side once I flip it over. We're going to use this for the front. This will be the back. So once I cut this out, flip it over, it'll be go on my left side. Then we have to the right side. Just take the flip over the template and trace the opposite side, so it'll face the opposite way. Okay. Okay, we're going to take our fabric here. Here we have the left side. Take a lay it down. I'm going to take and fold on the line here. And extend it into place. The next line. Take and fold. Seam into place. Here toward the bottom here, where it curves. Or slants. Stay in place. The other part, bottom, a slant. Fold along the line. Stay in place. I'm going to take the back part of the vest, fold it, stay in place. And see what we have so far. As you can see, this shapes up very quickly. If I face it this way, get a better idea. This is starting to take shape in no time. I'm going to smooth it out. Now the rear, let's cut a few slits here. Try to fold easier. Just cut right up to the line. Several different places, all the way down. I'm going to take and fold that. Fold it in. And steam it in place. Don't worry about messing up. Always redo it and re-steam. Okay, we have a shape here that we're looking for. Not too bad. Let's face the camera. Now that takes care of the left side. Just repeat the same thing with the right side.